already?
Yeah. No, I'm not.
Julia, would you like to tell them something?
I hate
Okay, so but we are at a bird sanctuary right now in Botswana in the Nata Reserve Sanctuary. As you can see, this is our view. The rest of us, there's 3 of us in this van. You can see Ash and Jules are with me, and then everybody else is up there. There's another truck that's up there, so we're just gonna drive through this and then hopefully see some wildlife along the way. And then if it clears up, hopefully we can watch the sunset. Okay. Ready? Say bye. Bye. Are we taking some selfies?
We are. Come here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Guys!
So we just stopped for our little sunset, and we're along a, I don't know, this must be a lake. This is huge. You can't even see the other side.
It's like Michigan.
Seriously. And we have our little table up here.
What?
Looks like the rest of the crew's coming.
Oh, is that food? Oh gosh.
Hi kids.
Kidding.
How is it? Hello. Hi.
Guess what I did?
What did you do?
I touched the fertility aloe.
You what?
Touched the fertility aloe plant.
Ew. Ew. Oh, this is awesome.
Cheers.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Oh, you too. So cute.
Thank you. I know I got one already. Thank you so much.
Oh my. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Fancy.
Oh. Thank you so much.
Nothing bitchy.
All right, everyone. We're
Right.
vlogging it. Cheers. Great way to end the trip. Cheers. Cheers, cheers.
Oh my god. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Alright, everybody has to get in for a timed photo.
Oh god.
Over here.
Double vlog.
Yes, go back so everyone.
Yeah, we gotta scoot.
Wait, if you.
Are we scooting?
Yeah.
Keep it going.
Scooting.
Back.
There we go.
Oh, Ashley.
Alright guys, I'm gonna take the photo. See you.
Clap.
Come here.
I already got it.
Cheers to an awesome trip. Study abroad, bitches. I am alright. Cheers guys to a great trip. See you. Bye.